Ahaha. Welcome back to DIY. You know, besides drinking away your sorrows, this bottle of wine can come in very handy. It can actually help you in creating life. मजाक समझ रहे हो ना? मतलब आप लोग कभी मुझे सीरियसली लोगे नहीं. अभी प्रूफ करता हूं. Firstly, you'll need an empty bottle of wine, of course. Then you'll need water, some oil wicks, of course, mud, and your favorite sapling. So firstly, go to any hardware store and get this bottle cut in half so that it looks like this. Then take the bottom part, place it on the floor. फिर top part को उल्टा करके insert it like this. Then take oil wicks. Make sure it's thick enough and long enough so that जब आप top से insert करें, it touches the bottom too. Then insert it inside the bottle. Hold it from the side and then pour water. There we go. Fill the bottom part with water. Now, take your sapling and the mud. Press it properly and place it in the bottle. इस तरह आराम से. There you go. Your pot plant is ready. As you can see, the wick will absorb water up to the soil, making it a self-watering plant. Then you can use colored threads or ribbon to decorate it so that it looks something like this. Simple yet elegant. Plus fresh oxygen for us all. Cheers.
Self-watering plant. Materials required are bottle of wine, thread of yarn, cold water, some mud, wick, your favorite sapling. Procedure is, go to any hardware shop and get the bottle cut into half. Invert the top of a bottle to fit into the bottom. Before filling with mud and planting, throw some oil wicks through the top to down the neck of the bottle. This will absorb water up to the soil, giving you a self-watering plant.
Sorry guys, भूख बहुत लगी है. I'll quickly have a vegetable sandwich and I'll join you. Where's the salt? Where's the salt? Where's the salt? Salt, salt, salt. कहाँ रखा है? Oh, कहाँ पीछे रखा हुआ है? Salt. You know, this is the, I think, biggest problem in the kitchen. Jars. Spices के jars होते हैं, pickle के jars होते हैं, and mostly they take a lot of space and it's very difficult to locate them also. मतलब ज़्यादातर आप ढूंढ ही रहे होते हैं, कहाँ है नमक का jar, कहाँ है अचार का jar. How about you find a very convenient location for them? How? I'll show you. In this process, all you need is a double tape and a pair of scissors. So now, what I'll do is, I'll simply take the double tape and stick the lids of these jars onto the wooden cabinet, like this. And then, as per your convenience, you can open the jar and close the jar whenever you want to. So I'll take rest of these jars also and stick them the same way. And in case in your kitchen you have some really big or heavy jars, then what you can do is simply screw them onto this wooden rack. Now you will always know where the salt is, where the red chili powder is, So now your kitchen looks more classy, plus it's very easy to locate where your spices are.
Spice jar holder. Materials required are spice jars, double tape or glue, screwdriver and screws. Procedure is, all you need is a strip of double tape or some glue. Just stick the lids of the jars onto the wooden racks and close the jars like you want. If you have heavy jars, you can screw the lids onto the surface.
So now, to help you create more space in your kitchen, I have a special friend who's flying down to help you. Well, I call him a space hero. Please welcome cabinet door. Here we go. Now in this process, we'll need a few nails, hammer, a piece of plywood with hooks attached. But in case hooks attached plywood piece आपको नहीं मिलता है, then take one ordinary plywood piece, buy some hooks, and then using the nails and hammer, make some holes. Once you've made the holes, take the hooks and insert it in by simply twisting and turning, twisting and turning. Once you have attached the hooks, the plywood piece will look like this. Now, you'll take nails and hammer and simply nail this plywood piece onto the cabinet door. I'll show you. So now, in the kitchen, you must be having saucepan, a frying pan, flat tawa, like for example, your stirring spoons. Or, if you have in your kitchen a flat tawa, dosa tawa, frying pan. See? So now your kitchen looks more stylish, more elegant. Plus, you're saving loads of space. How about that?
Space heroes, cabinet door. Materials required are nails and hammers, piece of plywood. Procedure is, get some nails and hammer and then nail any old or unused plywood pieces. Nail the pieces onto your cabinet and hang your saucepans there.
Well, इतनी बढ़िया आपको टिप दी है, एक ब्रीदर तो बनता है ना? So I'll take a quick break. लेकिन ब्रेक के बाद जल्दी वापस आइए. There's lots of stuff I want to discuss with you. Keep watching DIY. There's one element which is common amongst us all. और अगर हमें उस एलिमेंट को सही से हैंडल करना आ जाए ना, life becomes sorted और थोड़ी easy हो जाती है. If you know how to use this device, it can fix up a lot of things around the house जब आपके कारपेंटर, प्लम्बर और मेड नहीं है आपके आसपास.